No more cords between sensor pads and alarms with Smart Caregiver's cordless family of fall prevention products. Cordless operation means quieter fall monitoring. Resident dignity is respected by removing alarms from beds. Reduced tripping hazards. No more broken or tangled cords. Movable pads and alarms. How it works. The Smart Cordless system operates with an integrated transmitter that eliminates cords. It is available with bed sensor pads, chair sensor pads, and weight sensing floor mats. How it works. The Smart Cordless system offers caregivers a choice of receiver options: Caregiver Pager, Central Monitor, Local Monitor, and Economy Cordless Monitor. A combination of local and central receivers plus pagers working together frequently provides the most complete and safest fall monitoring environment. System operation. The Smart Cordless system allows flexible placement of the alarm receiver in room, outside the room, and at a nurse's station with optional caregiver pager. The cordless family receivers allow caregivers to adjust the alarm volume to best suit their facility. System operation. The cordless system floor mat works the same way as the sensor pads, with no cords. In room, outside the room, and at a nurse's station with optional caregiver pager. Welcome to the instructional video on the Smart Caregiver cordless system. The Smart Cordless system works with chair and bed sensor pads, floor mats, and nurse call buttons. The fall monitor alarms audibly and visually, notifying a caregiver when a resident or loved one is in need of assistance. The unique and distinguishing feature of the Smart Cordless system is that there is no cord between the sensor pad and fall monitor. Caregivers can now remove alarm noise from residents' beds and rooms by placing monitors in hallways where caregivers can hear them better. Monitors may be placed up to 100 feet away from sensor pads. Cordless operation also eliminates tangled cords and tripping hazards. Let's start by looking at the external features of the cordless fall monitor. The main item on the front of the monitor is the large reset button, which also functions as a low battery indicator. To the left of the reset button is the check pad light, and to the right of the reset button is the status in use light. Below those indicator lights is the speaker, and below that to the right is the caregiver key reset area. When the system is in use and pressure is on the cordless pad, the status light will blink silently every 4 seconds, giving caregivers a clear visual indicator that the system is in use. If a resident gets up, removing pressure from the pad, the monitor will alarm, and the reset button will blink prominently. The system will reset if the reset button is pressed, or if pressure is put back on the pad. Caregivers may make the monitor tamper-proof by switching it to Caregiver Key Mode. In Caregiver Key Mode, The reset button is disabled, and only the caregiver can reset an alarming monitor with the caregiver key. If the signal between the pad and the monitor is interrupted, the check pad light will illuminate and the monitor will chirp. Always test the cordless system before using it with a resident. Place pressure on the cordless sensor pad. 2 short beeps indicate that the system is functioning properly. Releasing pressure from the pad will set off the alarm. Reset the alarm by pressing the reset button. Again, place pressure on the sensor pad. Release the pressure. And then reset the system by placing pressure back on the pad. The system is ready for use. When using a cordless bed pad, position the pad under the resident's shoulders for an early warning, to be notified when the resident sits up in bed. To be notified when the resident is getting up off the bed, position the pad lower on the bed under the resident's buttocks. Cordless system components are designed to work in demanding environments with quality electronics, high-impact plastic cases, and protective boots. To program a cordless pad to a cordless monitor, such as when a pad is being replaced, have the new pad and the monitor within reach. Open the panel on the back of the cordless monitor to access the Program button. Press the Program button. The monitor will produce 3 short beeps. Place pressure on the cordless pad, and then release pressure. The monitor will sound 1 long beep indicating that programming is complete. Close the battery door. The battery door may be secured with the included screw. Replace the protective boot. The system is ready for use. Thank you for reviewing the features and benefits of the Smart Cordless System. For more information about these products, please call your distributor or Smart Caregiver Corporation at 1-800-650-3637.